One of the reasons why we overlook this is because we're not taught about this. You know, they speak about when we get told our body parts, even in school, we get told all the organs, they do not count the nervous system. They'll tell you about it. They'll brief you on it. But once they tell you about it, oh, the spine, they go back to the skeleton. They go back to the liver. They go back to the pancreas. You know what I mean? Like you barely hear about the nervous system, right? And so even at the doctor's office, they tell you, oh, you transitioned from a heart attack. Well, what was touching the heart and why did it really stop? It wasn't the heart that stopped. The heart would never stop on you. It was the nervous system that shut down. And when the nerves are overstimulated, that's when a lot of people get heart attacks because the nerve is touching the heart. You know, even your liver. A lot of people's liver becomes sluggish. Why? Because that nerve is no longer sparking. It's no longer sending signals. You know, so these are things they don't tell us. They tell us, oh, treat the liver, get the liver. And so we treat our liver, and then, you know, a couple years later, your cancer is back.